Hello, my name's Jacob, and I am just showing a little demo of something I've been working on for about the last hour. I recently took a class at the University of Massachusetts, and they gave me a email for the University of Massachusetts. And I was looking into what you can do with a college email. And one of the things I found that you can do is that Microsoft offers professional grade software to students completely for free as long as you're registered in a college. So I filled out their application, entered all the stuff that said I was a student at UMass, and they gave me an account. And one of the things in the account is a license to publish to the Xbox 360 and put it on the Xbox store. And I've only had an hour to mess with this because it required some extra hardware that I didn't have. But I'm just going to show you what I've done. So if we go over to games, my games, I've made a Hello World project called Hello World. And for those who don't know, Hello World projects are just to kind of understand how things are exported to the system you're working on. So if you're just starting with a new system, you make a Hello World project to learn how things work before you start working on a big project and then later learn you screwed something up. So this is my Hello World project. If we just run it, it will launch. It launches to this screen. I think this is because it's not published yet, but I'm not sure. But it just loads up in this, which just in big letters says Hello World. And this isn't very exciting, but I was just trying to do this. And also for controller feedback, if you tap the D-pad, it changes the color of the text, which isn't showing up very well on camera, but it's white, blue, red, and green. And it's just to show how the controller gets inputs that I could just learn the basics of this. And this is just running on the Xbox 360. I have no idea why it keeps signing me out. I think I do that by accident. But it's just a little project I was working on to... There we go. It was just a little project I've been working on to learn how programming for the Xbox 360 works. And what was really interesting to me is that there's no editor for XNA, because XNA was discontinued, but they're still adding, like, they stopped giving it support, but you can still download and use it. And XNA is what's used to program 360 games. The XNA editor is completely just code. There's no visuals to it. It's just a library. So it's very interesting for me to work with just a library, because I usually work with more than just a library. Like I work with Unity mainly, which has a UI that allows you to edit variables and stuff without having to go back in code and manually edit it every time you need to change something. You can just quickly edit it on the fly, which I really like. So it's interesting for me to learn how to, or not learn, how to adapt to needing to edit stuff manually whenever something needs to happen. And hopefully I'll have a basic platformer done in the next few days, and that will be the next video. So thanks for watching. This is just a little demo of what I've been working on for the Xbox 360. Thank you.